Hi guys, welcome back. In our previous video, we made our uh, we made our service file. We used the default service file which comes with Ballerina initialization, and we invoked that service by sending a GET request, and we got a response. All right. Okay, so now in this video, what I'm going to show you guys is how to create a client program for that particular service. All right, so I think you guys know what kind of a thing is a client. So in simple terms, what is the client program is some application that we write to consume the web service. Okay, all right. So what we can do for to create so what you guys can do to create a client program is you have to make a file in this particular directory, and you guys can write that particular code. Okay, so here I'm not going to write it. So you guys can see the quick program guys, they have provided with us with this particular code. Okay, so I'll quickly copy that code, uh, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a file. Alright, so I'll use the nano editor to create that one. So you guys can simply go to that particular directory and create a normal create a normal text file, and copy paste this code and save it with the .bal extension. Okay, so I'll use the nano editor since it's easy for me. Okay, so let's give this file the name as the main.bal. Okay, main.bal. Right, so it will ask for the okay. So I will paste the code here. All right, so if I give a quick explanation about this particular code, so as I think you guys can remember about the service endpoint that I the sorry actually the listener endpoint that I explained in the previous case. So like in that case, here in this file, what it has is called the client endpoints. Okay, client endpoints. Okay, so simply client endpoints we use so actually those are the endpoints which are used to connect and interact with the HTTP endpoint. Okay, that means in simple words, these are the endpoints which we use to interact with the web service. All right. um, okay, so that's the basic understanding that you guys have to take in this stage. All right, so the next thing is the declaration of the main function. It is very obvious. So anyone with the prior programming knowledge know what is the main function it is. So actually this main function, you guys can see, it is quite similar to the signature is quite similar to the main function of the Java language as well. All right. Okay, so the next thing is by using that client endpoint, see they have sent a get request. Okay, we can send a post request as well. We can see that one in near future. So here they are sending a get request to this particular endpoint. All right. Okay, so after that they get that response, and so using the println line. Okay, so what they do is see, see, they simply take the text version of that particular response and print it. Okay, so there are different types of payloads. Okay, we'll be soon see JSON payload as well. So here it's simply a text payload that we want to take. Okay, actually the service also sending a text, that's why we are getting also a text payload, and simply print it. Okay, so if there is any error, it will be logged. All right. Okay, so that's the basic idea about this client program. Okay, so let's save that one. Okay, let's save that one. Okay, all right, so now we have created the client program for web service as well. Okay, so if you guys okay, in order before running this particular main.bal file, make sure that you guys have been started that particular hello service. Okay, because we have created this client program in order to consume this web service. So first we have to make the web service live. Okay, so make sure that it is been started. Okay, that means simply deploy. Okay, so first you have to do you guys have to do that one, then come and run the main.bal file. Okay, so it's very simple. Ballerina run main.bal. Okay, so by doing that you guys will be able to see the output. See, it's very simple. Okay, so as I told you before, this is a client program. What it does is it the program the application code itself send get request to the service and get the response and print it back. Okay, all right, so I hope you guys have get the kind of idea about what is a client program and how we can use such a client program to consume the hello service which we have been created first. Okay, all right, thank you.